Oregon, we love you. You have beautiful wine and the most gorgeous coastline.
This coastline is amazing. A lot of it is state park. You got the sand dunes. You've got amazing beaches like this behind us, and they seem to be all up and down the coast, and you can access most of them. Tons of hiking, play in the water, just absolutely beautiful here.
Hey, if beautiful is your thing, I think the Oregon coastline is going to be your thing.
Yeah, go to Oregon, check it out. It's a really cool place.
Today we found rock pools and gorgeous, great for the whole family.
A lot of fun here, beautiful, worth a visit.
And now we're off to a farmer's market. Perfect day.
Absolutely.